Welcome to our video. Today, we're taking you inside the Rolex factory.
To create Oyster steel, steel and precious gold alloys are measured to the gram, each chosen for resilience and warmth. Automated forges melt, blend, and refine them, balancing strength with luster. Under a
Curves locked. I'm zooming on the last 40 seconds.
Purity windows opening, 99.978 and climbing.
Sync engaged. Timing cursor locked at 5 seconds.
Verified, we're good.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
And that's how Rolex watches are made, from start to finish. Every link, every gear, every beat of the movement, built by hand, right here. Worth the time, don't you think?